Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. In this video I'm gonna show you how to decorate this lollipop Candyland Christmas tree, and all of these lollipops I DIY'd, so I will link this video down below, so please check it out and let's get started.
Here's all ornaments and decoration that I'm gonna use here, and these lollipops and candies. The video with how I DIY them you can find on my channel. I will link it in the description box.
Happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright.
Here in Ukraine we don't have the Christmas trees sold together with the lights, so I have to put all of these lights separately.
The love I lived, the dream I knew, this Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Hey.
Now we're gonna start putting the ribbon on, and I have two colors for that. You can go so crazy with ribbon just as you want and just let your creativity flow.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind.
The main thing that I realized, if I decorate in a small space, I should make my Christmas tree the main focal point.
I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.
I'm gonna start with the sticks at the top of the Christmas tree, and I have to say that I just started to collect my collection of Christmas sticks, but I think that this will be enough for the decor in this year. Now I add the candies and lollipops. These are the biggest ornaments, so they will be the main accents.
Will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted.
This is a paper ornament that I DIY'd, and I will link this video down below.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But
this is like a paper presents ornament that I DIY'd a couple of years ago, and I don't know, but they like fit with any style.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
And I have a few just classic red ornaments, and I'm just stuffing them into the back of the tree.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
As a tree skirt, I used my old fur jacket, and I was very surprised when I saw how it fits here. Thank you so much for spending the time with me, and hit the like button if you haven't yet. Also consider subscribing, I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!